sure we're spending time in nature. That means time outdoors. If it's as basic as going for a walk, great. The only thing I would add, all you have to do besides walking, is make sure you pause from time to time. Okay, something about that process helps our mood state. And there's research behind this as well, but in just the practical application of it, think of identifying something on a plant or a tree or a rock, or if you're blessed like us, we have the rivers here, to be able to watch that water going. Right? All of that kind of brings our mood into a state of kind of just recognizing something outside of ourselves that can lift us in our mood state.